Okay, I'm going to go through the install process for a pO2 display cable on the RD1 rebreather. So it's very, very simple. On the inhalation lid, which we mark with a green sticker, so green is good, right? So that's cleaned gas that's already passed through the scrubber. That's where you want our display. There's two ports. There's two ports on either end for a variety of things, but you want to identify what's the top port when you're swimming prone, and we only suggest that so that in the event you did get a lot of water in there for some reason, you're not going to have that water soaking into your cables and your wiring splice. So identify the top port. The plug comes out easily with a wrench, so that was there. Unscrew. Then you take your cable, which is terminated with the Molex harness, and you can pass your Molex connectors through the port. So the port is a 3/8 NPT, so it's large enough to very easily and smoothly pass through 3 Molex connectors and the cable, and then your gland. Because it's NPT, it's a good idea to put a little something on the threads to help it seal. So I'm not going to do that here because I'll be disassembling this later, but a couple options are some T-tape or just a fingerful of RTV silicone. So we put that on the threads. We rotate the gland into place. We set the cable where we want it, and then lock the cable down with the gland nut. And that would be it on the exterior side. If you wanted to, you could run an elbow to clean up that configuration, but I find that works just fine. So what you're left with on the interior of the lid is your Molex harness. And then to fit your cells, we have this sensor carriage. You would first thread your sensors, whether it's 1, 2, or 3 sensors, onto the carriage. Then connect your Molex wire, and then simply press fit that carriage into place. And you can tidy up all your wires with a zip tie or what have you, and that's it. That's the cable installation on the inhale lid of the RD1.